Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Qur'an Academy self-reading program. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Hope you done a first lesson at home and you done second lesson at home as well. And hopefully, inshallah, you know these old alphabets. Today, I will tell you about the writing different. How can you recognize the writing? So first line, this will be lesson number 3. If you want to find out this on YouTube or on our website, you can write down the lesson number 3. Yeah. So alif is only one. There is no like alif. Yeah. So whenever you see this kind of writing, then you don't need to think there is any other letter like this. You just need to know alif is one writing, and that is alif. The next is 3 letters has same writing. One is ba, one is ta, and one is tha. How can you recognize these 3 writings? Basically, these 3 writings are same. You just need to know what's the difference between them. Different is dot different. Ba, tha, sa writing is same. Ba has downside 1 dot. When you see this writing and you see downside 1 dot, then you will say this is ba. When you see same writing 2 dot on the top, then you will see this is tha. And when you see same writing 3 dot on the top, then you will see this is tha. Sa. So hope you understand about the writing different ba, tha, sa. And the next is Jim, ha, ho. These 3 writing are same. First is Jim, and next is ha, and the next is ho. These 3 letters are same writing, so how can you understand? How can you recognize it? It's very simple. Jim has downside 1 dot. Whenever you see this writing downside 1 dot, that will be Jim. Same writing, no dot, that will be ha. This will be ha. And when you see same writing 1 dot on the top, that will be ha. Make sure same writing downside 1 dot will be jim. Same writing, no dot on the top, no dot on the bottom, ha. And the same writing 1 dot on the top, that will be ha. Next is dal and zal. Only 2 writings. Dal, zal, same writing, the dot different. When you see this writing no dot on the top, that will be dal. When you see same writing 1 dot on the top, that will be zal. Next is ra and za. Same like dal and zal, dot different. Ra has no dot and za has 1 dot on the top. Next is seen and sheen, same different. Seen has no dot ever on the top. And when you see same writing 3 dot on the top, that will be sheen. Okay. The next is sword and dot. Sword has no dot and dot has 1 dot on the top. Make sure whenever you're going to read it, you just need to recognize the writing. You just need to copy and paste in your brain. Yeah, just save it. So next is tha and za. Tha has no dot on the top, the same thing, and za has 1 dot on the top. Ain, kain, the same writing. Ain has no dot. Whenever you see this writing no dot on the top, there will be ain. When you see 1 dot on the top, that will be ghain. Okay. Remember, I'm going to tell you this thing. You will never ever will see the writing colors. Okay, color can be different. When you will be next lesson, inshallah, there will be color is for the confusion. That's just for the kids. Okay. So next is fa. Fa is only 1 writing. Actually, fa writing is similar to qaf writing. Qaf. Fa writing is going straight, and the qaf writing is going to make a circle. It's near to make a circle. When you see this starting from circle writing, that will 1 dot on the top, that will be fa. And when you see starting from circle writing and near to complete circle, 2 dot on the top, that will be qaf. And the next is kaf. Kaf is only 1 writing, you can understand. you can know it. Next is lam. Lam is only one writing, you can understand. Mim is only one writing. Okay, this is one eye. I called one eye. I'm teaching kids from last 5 years. I'm just telling them one eye is mim and two eyes is ha. Okay, so kids can understand easily. Next is noon. Noon is only simple writing, one dot on the top. Next, wow, already told you. Starting from circle writing, one dot on the top, that will be fa. Starting from circle writing, two dot on the top, that will be qaf. Starting from circle writing, no dot, that will be vav. Next is two eyes is ha. Hamza is only one. It is like half ain. Okay, you can say, well, most of kids they're reading Hamza is ain as well, but this is totally different. This is Hamza is this Hamza sound similar to the Alif sound. And the next is Ya. Ya is only one writing, that Ya has two dots on the top. Now I'll tell you something more about the letters for the writing. Okay, this is test like you can how might you know what the writing. Okay, so how many letters has downside one dot? You will start from the alif, and the next is ba has downside one dot. There is no. There is only one letter has downside one dot, that is ba. So make sure, remember it, whenever you see downside one dot in any kind of writing, that will be ba. Okay, so next is, how many letters has two dot on the top? One is tha and one is qaf. This is qaf. So you can recognize, you can understand what's the difference between tha and qaf. It's simple, very simple and very easy. When you see simple writing, two dot on the top, that will be tha. When you see circle writing, starting from circle writing, two dot on the top, that will be qaf. Tha and qaf. Okay, next is, how many letters has three dot on the top? Tha and shin. Only two letters has three dot on the top. Look, tha is one step writing, a simple writing. In simple writing, in one step writing, whenever you see three dot on the top, that will be tha. You don't need to think about this, what it can be. No, always tha. When you see shin, three step writing, look at the one step, second step and third step. Three step writing and three dot on the top, that will be shin. And how many letters has downside two dot? That is only ya. That is only ya, that is one. Whenever you see two dot downside, that will be ya. Okay, so this was the recognizing the lesson, and you can say this is the test of your alphabets as well. And hopefully, inshallah, you will enjoy this lesson as well. You can find this lesson number 3 on YouTube channel, and you can find this lesson on our website. Our website name is www.HNQuranAcademy.co.uk, and there are all lessons will be available. You can read lesson number 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 3 all the way. Inshallah, you will enjoy this lesson, and you will get better, and you will like us. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.